What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to do the hardware implementation of this expression. There are two ways we are going to do this. The first one is using MUX and the second one is using 4-bit bus. Now let's see how to design this one using MUX. The design of this one using MUX will look like this. First we will have here R1, R2 and R3. So R1, R2 and then R3 right here, and here we will have load enabled right here, load enabled, and here. Okay, now this is a 4-bit adder, so we put 4, and this one. Okay, now here we have A and B not, so the AND gate is going to be in the MUX, and let's go and design the MUX right here. This is our MUX. This is a 2x1 MUX, and then here we are going to have R2 and R3, and from R1 the MUX is connected to the R1, Now here we are going to have an OR gate connected to this load enabled. This is A or B. Now this one is connected to A not and B. That one goes to an AND gate right here. A is the NOT, so we connect this one to the NOT gate and AND gate, and that's it. That's the hardware implementation of this expression using multiplexer. Now let's see how can we express this same thing using 4-bit bus. To do that, I use this space. Okay, here we have R1, R2, R3, R3. Here we have load enabled and output enabled, load enabled and output enabled, load enabled, output enabled, load enabled, output enabled, and here we will have a 4-bit bus. Now this one is connected right here. Load enabled, output enabled, and this is R1, R2, R3, and here we have an OR gate connected to the load enabled. That is A, B, OR gate connected right here, and here in this expression we have A, so this one connected with A, R2 is connected with A, and we have a NOT gate, like a AND gate, A NOT and B. That one comes right here. Load enabled, output enabled will be connected to that AND gate, and here A is not connected with NOT gate, and B is just connected like this, and that's it. That's how we design the hardware implementation of this expression using 4-bit bus. These two are equivalent. Okay, it's just that the difference is here we are using multiplexer, here we are using 4-bit bus. And that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you're trying to learn digital logic design 2, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.